Yesterday, a plumber came out and relocated the plumbing for the kitchen sink. The new sink will be directly under the middle of the window. Fortunately, the plumbing for our bathroom is right directly behind where our new refrigerator will be located. So it was relatively easy for the plumber to install this hookup for our new refrigerator's ice maker. Today, an electrician is coming out to run the wires for our new kitchen appliances and cabinets. Of course, electrical wiring to the outlets and the switches and to where the appliances will be installed needs to be run before the drywall is reinstalled and any repairs made. Then it needs to be textured in the areas that are exposed to match the existing walls. My job will be doing the painting. Electrician has opened up a wire run here for the refrigerator and the microwave. That's quite a long wire run.
As the chambers there are just so small. Trying to get two wires in there just there.
Lots of wire. Today, the drywall contractor is coming to cover up these holes and the strips where the wires were run. And then he'll do some texturing to match the existing texture on the surrounding walls. It's not going to be an easy job to do, but I hear he's an expert. Paul's making some progress with repairing the sheetrock. Took off all the trim around the window. That's going to be custom trim. And he's prepping the walls to fill in the holes. So we just learned that the pipe here, the drain pipe, actually exceeds the wall.
Yeah, the width of the studs. You see that?
Okay.
See it at that point right there.
Yep, right where that junction is, that
Yeah, where the
T or
sanitary T is what it's called.
sanitary T. So I guess Paul's gonna have to have a cutout in the wallboard to accommodate that.
And paint over it, or I can.
Well, it's gonna be under the cabinets anyway.
You're not gonna see it.
Yeah. So the rats in the cabinets will be nice and warm. I don't know how you got so close to the right spots for that. There's a solution. Just a little bit of a cutout. And if it bugs me, I can always paint it. Nice.
Perfect.
One more hole to cover. Using some of the old flooring, the Pergo flooring, as a workbench top. Look at that.
Hot mud.
So is that distilled water?
No, it's just out of your bathroom.
Oh, okay.
And it's 20-minute.
Oh, okay.
So theoretically it dries in 20 minutes. Theoretically. There you go.
A skim coat, okay.
Yeah, just to make this mess go away.
My wife and I had fun pulling off those tiles, assisting the demolition crew. It was something we could handle. It was kind of, I don't know, you get some gratification out of it.
You gotta be careful not to spoil.
Well, true. Mixing up another batch of mud. So we begin day 2 of the wallboard repairs. It's a process.
Texture.
Well, that minimizes the expense of fancy tools. Does it all.
Yeah, an 8, a 6, and a 12.
It just needs an experienced arm attached.
Very critical.
So there's the hole in the ceiling, right above, well, not directly above, it's in the wrong location.
Yeah, so you got some backing here. So that's as close as you're gonna get. So I'm gonna borrow one of your paint cans.
So we're using a standard paint can to mark the hole. Paul says that'll work perfectly.
Yep.
And what Paul says is right. Now you can see the existing pipe up there. I measured it, it's 7 inches, and it's movable. It's flexible, so you can swing it over to hook up the hood. So what did we discover? That the truss is right there in the way, huh?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Wow.
I know, right?
And that's why there is a rectangular opening to adapt it to the previous hood.
Correct.
Okay, a little bit of a adaptation here to make it work. So today Paul is adding some of the joint compound to the repairs, smoothing things out.
Yep, making it flat, making it easy to texture.
Once that gets dried, 24 hours later or so, then the mastery of texturing will be done. So Paul's doing a little bit of the texturing just to see how it's going to work out with his areas behind most of the cabinets. The lighting here is perfect. It really shows you what's going on there.
Looks pretty well. I just want to make sure I blend it in good, so
Yeah.
that's kind of what it's going to look like.
Yeah. Well, of course, after it's painted, it will look perfect.
Yeah, you won't notice anything.
Nope. Nice.
Just takes me forever.
Yeah,
It
it
does
is.
too. I've done a whole house with this damn thing.